last outing, my shoes got pretty dirty, so this time I'm prepared, and I got some old shoes that I forgot I even had, but now we're all set. Gotta have that energy, of course. Of course, you always have to be prepared for anything that could happen, such as venomous snakes. If I have to kill a snake today, I'm prepared. And that's how you, yeah. Okay, I am currently out in Newton, Kansas. This is the Osage Nature Trail, as you can see here. I have never been here before. I didn't even know it existed. And that's why I'm here, to see what it's like. It is really pretty out today. It's a bit windy, but it's not too bad, and the sky is just, yeah, great. Okay, so it looks like we've got a little creek right here. So far this is a really nice trail. It's honestly better than what I was expecting. You know, I could get back into doing flips. Like, honestly, that would be pretty fun. This is risky business, okay? Oh, shh. Whoop. Now the question is, should I try and jump this? And yes, I definitely should try to, I think. Oh, shit. Okay. To be honest, I wasn't entirely sure that I was actually gonna do that, but all right. What can I say? I'm a true athlete.
Cocaine on the toilet, see 5 a.m. Mixed pills and that liquor, shit hit the fan. OD'd on a plane with a private land. Ain't even touch base, ain't had time to cram. We do them jobs just to cut the time. She love me, but she know she ain't mine. Still take them shits and not off the bed. I lived through her, took her hurt, she dead. Monday magic, poison me with drugs. Devil's advocate with Cupid's love. Expressed with tattoo, she expressed with cuss. Stressed out the blue, ain't know what the fuck. Always together, drag it out, get on, girl. It's right now or never. Go with this shit now.
Up here, we've got a nice little bridge. I like that. I'm really enjoying this trail, and it's pretty secluded too, which is nice. Honestly, I was pretty bummed out at the start of today, or just not in a very good mood, but you know, this place is nice, and I kind of felt like I was just gonna come out here and it wasn't gonna be not even that cool, and I was gonna just have to try to make some stupid video about it, but you know, it's actually pretty nice, and I'm having fun. Maybe that's just what nature can do for you, I guess. Kind of get you away from everything and reset your mind, put you in a better mood. I think so. That's kind of why I'm doing this. Okay, so I saw this on the pictures for this trail. It's some sort of memorial. This memorial has been erected for deceased homeless and indigent persons of Harvey County, Kansas. Their ashes are here, respectfully returned to nature. Now right down here, we might have a snake. And that's why I've prepared for this. I'm ready for you. I think that's gonna be it for my time at Osage Nature Trail. I hope I made this video as entertaining as I can. I hope everybody enjoyed just watching me out in nature. I don't know how entertaining that is, but I had fun. So if you want to check out my music, I will have a couple links in the description below. Other than that, thanks for watching. You can like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, you can comment something, and you can look forward to watching me at my next destination, wherever that will be. I don't really have a plan yet.